Oh, and then we have some of the de-ruster stuff.
Right.
I was gonna say Rusties, but that's from Cars. It's sponsored from Cars. So.
Okay, so we're going to do a product review on the de-ruster.
It's not sponsored or anything. It's
just for fun.
It was a gift, free gift.
Yeah, so we'll try it out and see if it works.
Found the metal rescue.
Okay, metal rescue. Okay, we're gonna do a box opening.
Box? Yes! And now that you've changed, then you can be on camera for once.
So this is, as Kevin said earlier, we are not sponsored by My Parts Aren't Rusty, Metal Rescue, Rust Remover, Fab. We are not sponsored by anybody actually, but if you know somebody who wants to sponsor us. So we'll open this up and take a look at it.
Is there a date when this was sent? October 17th.
2017.
2017.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Is this camera actually pointed at her face? I don't know.
Or it's on our feet maybe? That's okay.
It's the all the way from the United States of America.
I'm gonna try and start this.
Okay. What kind of tape fixes sunglasses?
Okay.
I don't even think people will notice.
Yeah. Once they're on, then the structure of my head. We need like a
crane shot.
Yeah, we need like a boom mic. If only. Okay. We're gonna put that right there.
Cue the theme music.
Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Pretend that it wasn't opened already.
Yeah, I did not look at. Well, I don't even remember what's in this.
Cool, open it up, take a look at it.
It's got a cool sticker.
Yeah, I wonder if we peeled that off really carefully, I could put it on my truck.
Probably. Is that the right side? Yeah.
Okay, so we have this.
This is a nice bag.
Oh, this is not actually open yet. Right?
No.
Okay, so we have not seen. Oh. Well, it may have been open. Okay, so we've got the Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath.
Well, let's just get everything out of the box first,
sorry.
and then we can get a close-up.
Yeah.
So we got stickers.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
We have a rag. That's nice.
Some paper.
Paper.
Okay, so these are probably just instructions. Also, someone's just decided to idle his 5-ton diesel in our backyard.
Okay, so let's make this look all cool.
3 easy steps. That's perfect for us.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab the camera and then we'll dig in. So we're at the booth here, and first of all, we got this nice rag. It says remove rust. Actually, pretty nice. Nice little care package they sent us. What if you just reading stuff?
No. Are you?
I'm trying to get this.
Okay, yeah. So here we have the Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath and the dry coat, which it says it's a rust preventative. So we're gonna take a look at the instructions and try and find something pretty rusty that we could use this on.
What do we have that's rusty? Let's go find something.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey, this guy is famous.
workshophero.com. Oop, get it in the frame here. That'll be a step in the right direction. Okay, find something rusty. Kids over there getting some water ready because it's a 14-ounce bottle of concentrate and you mix it with a gallon of water.
So now I will put this in to give us exactly a gallon.
Okay, well, Kate pours that in and mixes it up. This is our lineup of rusted metal. We got two 35 chain. Back from when our cart's at 35 chain. 35 chain sprocket. Cade's old clutch. This thing weighs like 15 pounds. And then we got my old centrifugal clutch.
So this is the whole 14 ounces in here. The product promises that it's safe on everything, including your skin, but I don't think we'll test that out. Anyway, I've given it a good mix here, so it's mixed up. So it's actually between 75 minutes and 12 hours, depending on what you're doing, but I think we'll leave it for an hour or hour and a half and then take a look and see how it's done.
Yeah, I guess we can put a bunch of stuff in here.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all our rusty material, and we're gonna leave it for a bit and see how it does.
You've made a smiley face, kind of. If you really look at it.
Okay, are we rolling?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, so like Kevin said, we've left them in for about an hour and a half. We're gonna take one out and see how it does. Okay, still looks rusty. If I had to say, I'd say,
Maybe turn it over.
but this side wasn't that bad anyway. Okay, so it's taking off some of the rust.
Well, didn't they recommend like an hour to how long? Like
Yeah, up to 12 hours,
12
depending on how bad and what type of metal it was.
it's definitely coming off.
Yeah, I'd say that. I think that took the metal.
Yeah, that looks.
Yeah.
That does look better. These were like really, really rusty.
Did pretty well. Maybe let's try.
Try chain. I was gonna say. No.
Okay, well we'll do the clutch or the chain next. For this, let's see. What do you think? I'd say it.
I think there's some off.
Yeah, I'd say it takes the rust off. Maybe not down to like a perfect surface, but what do you think? There's a couple areas that didn't really seem to do much to, but overall, I think rust restore or whatever it's called. Is it called rust restore?
Metal restore. No, metal rescue.
Rescue.
Yeah, we'll get it sooner or later.
I would say that overall it did its job, and that's only after an hour and a half. So if we leave it in for longer,
We may as well leave these in. You know us, it'll probably be like a month before we remember.
Okay. It said that the once mixed it has a shelf life of about a year.
So we can.
I don't know if you can reuse it or not.
I think
but-
you can. I got an email. They said you can reuse it.
Oh.
Light rust is up to 2 hours, it says, right on here. Moderate rust is up to 12 hours, and heavy rust 48 hours.
Oh. So maybe we're gonna have to do a
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have to follow up here.
24
So after
hours.
half of the recommended dose, we're probably rust that's less than what was on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's doing pretty good.
Okay, well I guess we'll update in a little more time and see how it does.
Cool. What are you looking up?
I'm still taking a look at our product here. Metal Rescue.
KGN Metal barbecues burgers. It's gonna be great. 5 burgers. Ready to go. Cade's inside doing research on Metal Rescue. Russ, it's windy. It's windy. There are diesels everywhere. One there, one there. Smoke's in the air because it's Kamloops and it's the summer. It's actually a nice day, so can't complain. Burgers are almost ready.
I'm feeling pumped.
Oh. Burgers are done. Back to whatever we're doing. Is it 6? So it's almost been 3 hours.
Okay, so we're gonna take something out and see how it looks for the second time.
That actually looks.
Yeah, I'd say that it did
pretty.
a really good job.
However,
This side, this really, yeah, I don't even know. So on this side, it's done almost a perfect job. On this side, this really scaly stuff, it doesn't seem to do. Doesn't really seem to take that off. But other than that, it did a pretty good job. Something that I need to mention is that I made a bit of a mistake in our amounts, and we put a little bit too much water in. So I don't know how that affected the overall performance, but it seems like it seems to have worked anyways.
is that chain? Chain looks pretty good.
Yeah, it didn't get everything, but this looks pretty good.
Well, like I said before, like 2 hours seemed to be the minimum, and this is only 3 hours, so. Chain number 2 is still stuck in limbo.
Yeah, so some parts of it are totally clean, and some parts it's like it didn't even do anything at all.
That's weird. Is it something sitting on it or something?
I don't know. You can't really see it. This one maybe didn't do quite as well. Okay, well, I think we need to leave it in for quite an extended period of time. And then we can give the final review. For some time.
Maybe look at it tomorrow, I don't know.
Yeah.
Next week, next month, whatever.
It did say that if you leave it in for too long, you'll get this other issue. I don't remember what it's called exactly, but it kind of turns black or something, but they said it won't affect the performance of the metal.
Alright, back to the Metal Rescue. For testing purposes and for forgetful purposes, we have had these in the solution for about 91 hours now. So, we'll see here how good these things look and give it proper review. Okay, so we got these things lined up. And the sprockets look nice and clean. It's a little bit porous from all the years that it's been rusty, but other than the little black sections you see there, it's actually quite a bit better. This clutch looks a lot better. Oops. And then, uh-oh. Out of all the things that the chain seemed to be having the hardest time getting the rust completely off, but it's actually, I think, for the most part, it's all gone. And last but not least, we have this sprocket. And I just kind of, that's just my finger being messy. But the rust is completely gone. So, turns out Metal Rescue Rust Bath Solution actually works. It works quite well. So if you have anything rusty, just toss her in there and you're good to go. And I'm pretty sure, even though this looks like junk now, you can throw something in there and it'll still work. But yeah, it's a good product. Send more, please.